Èèyàn kò gba gidi ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀. Òun làkúnjẹ ìsinmi ṣe fi jọ́ lọ. Èmi yàtọ̀ sáwọn kan ká mi sọ́tọ̀, ká mi lọ́tọ̀. Ọjọ́bọ̀jọ́bọ̀, ẹgbà lọ́kọ̀lọ́kọ̀ tó bá fọ́kọ̀. Say tonight but the club we don't turn up. Everybody at the bar, the bar, the bar. Ẹgbẹ́ mi ṣe, ọwọ́ ni bá ní kò sóṣù.
Bonjour. Did you miss me? Because I missed you.
Thought you were talking to me.
No. It is Tuesday morning. It's travel day, but we have some errands to run before we get on the road to head to Miami. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Adios! Landed in Madrid. It was an 8-hour flight, and now we have a layover to take us to Tenerife. That's going to be a 2-hour flight. So we just did currency exchange and got some euros, and now we are getting something to eat, and then we're going to board our next flight. I believe so. We just landed in Tenerife North. We're picking up our bags. I am tired. Tired is not the word, actually. Right, so we have found our shuttle driver. We booked it through Shuttle Direct. It is called Canary Shuttle something. I will put the information in the description box. This room is crazy gorgeous. Mwah. Guys, look at the flowers my baby got me. Mini bar area. Okay. In here. And a glass of wine, or a bottle of wine rather. Canary Island luxury water. Tea and coffee. How cute is this? Not his and hers. Come on. And that is the room tour. Okay, so this is what I have on for dinner at the hotel we are staying at for night 1. It's a high-rise bodysuit from IMGA. Pants are from Zara. I got them very last minute. I just feel like you can't go to Europe and not have some linen pants, okay? And yeah, no makeup look today because we are rushing.
Spain
All
night
right, Spain night 1. It's so nice here. I have to show you guys in the morning. I have some issues with charging because we did not get the adapter and it's really pissing us off. I'll get some clips, some short clips of what we have tonight. It's been a long day, so ciao. Or no, we're in Spain. Adios.
Mami water, mami water.
Good morning, bonjour. We are getting ready pretty early to head to our first adventure in Tenerife, which is a tour of Mount Teed and Masca Valley. It's gonna be like a 9-hour tour, so it's pretty much gonna be an all-day affair, but I'm really excited to learn some more history. Nothing crazy for the outfits. It is, this is not the outfit, I'm not done yet, but cargo pants, because you know it's gonna be quite the hike. And I didn't bring enough shirts and I realized it too late, so we might stop by the market.
I'm mami water, she got in the bar. Put down, put down, put down. Feeling the charm, feeling the charm. Feeling the charm, feeling the charm. Thinking, thinking.
Me tired. It's like a quick walk, but that hill is kicking our butt. I'm not gonna hold you. We're waiting on the shuttle to take us from here to our Mount Teed / Masca tour. Again, it's going to be, I believe, 9 hours. And yeah, it was so cold earlier this morning, and now it's a little warm, it's a little musty. Should have worn a little tank top. Unfortunately, I am now in this shirt and cargos. My skin is doing great in Spain.
Yeah, here we go.
Here we go. We saw some other
Yep.
but I think it was the wrong it was the wrong bus. So unfortunately they did not get on this shuttle with us, so we are still only the old.
This man also now.
East Island, our province Gran Canaria with the last de Tenerife, l'autre de Gran Canaria.
22, tú atajando, girl, I wanna handle you, mind upon you, baby. You're 22, tú atajando, girl, I wanna handle
These are
you,
nice.
mind upon you, baby. You're 22, you're 22, girl, I wanna handle, you're 22, mind upon.
How we gonna do this? I'm shocked. Hey guys, it's been a very long day, and it ain't nowhere close to being done either. We're on the north side of the island, the northern part of the island now. So this is Tenerife Norte.
This is the banana. For the banana, look at the basket. There is possible to see the papaya.
Guys, I'm so hungry. All I want to do is eat. So we split from the group to get some food at our next stop, which was the lava pool. I don't know where we are right now, but we just walked around and found some food. Okay, we're at Guarachico, but where specifically where we at? Miramar. This is not Miramar, Florida. This is very much Miramar, Guarachico. I'm excited to dive in. It's a lot of food. Lemon white? Yeah. Guys, we are at our last stop. We are in Masca Valley. Oh, it's dark here. This probably has like about 100 or so people that live here. The view is amazing. This is probably the one place I was looking to stop at on this tour, and it's our last stop.
Okay, guys, that you didn't feel that. You didn't. You did it. You get out of here.
Okay, our long day is finally over-ish. We are getting ready for dinner. We just got back to the hotel, so I am about to get ready. I am literally squeezing the last bit of juice on this camera until it finally dies. Dinner time. Wait.
This your love will get me for my body. I want like that, with my light that. This your color, no different for my banana.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you.
Gracias. Thank you. Bonjour. It is Friday morning. One more day to birthday. Recording on my phone because the camera is out of there. Last night dinner was really good. The service was great. Well, it was good. It wasn't great. Actual entree was delayed, but our server was amazing. The manager, he was really good checking in on us and everything. And then, oh my gosh, the Ritz-Carlton Obama. Oh, chef's kiss. He had the hostess call us a taxi, but she had the hotel shuttle instead take us to the front reception. And the shuttle driver that took us to the reception was so nice. He did not have to go the length he did. Like, he literally, when he dropped us off at the main reception, right, called us a taxi. Like, he did everything for us. Mind you, we were not staying here. We just went to eat dinner. And he was like, oh, let me take you inside. He walked us inside, escorted us to, like, the balcony where we could see the view of the actual, like, room, the hotel. It was amazing. Flabbergasted. It was just... He wanted to let us know, next time you come to Tenerife, you need to stay here instead. He did not lie, because that place was beautiful. Possibly going to go to Sea and Water Park, and then after that, we are spending a day. We booked the cabanas at the pool, so we're going to have a nice little pool day. Eat some more food, because that buffet was busting. This is Pool Fits. Cover up is from Mars the Label. This bathing suit is from Melissa Simone Swim. This is not what I ordered. Bottom part, it was supposed to have strings, but... we move. Okay, see you guys later. Hey guys, okay, so we are at the pool. We just got back from eating, taking pictures at the rocks on the beach. Is it okay if I turn on the shower?
Go for it. Go.
Today was very much a chill day, so we kind of canceled all plans just to kind of chill here, which was perfect. I still want to explore Playa de Teresitas. That's where what this is called? Playa de Teresitas. That's where I want to explore. Book here at Guayarmina, Princess, and you'll be very happy. Okay, time to go, please.
Okay.
Let's take a nice little nap. We cannot believe it's literally still 11:30 in the morning. Ain't no way this is a shot, boy. Just kiss me.
Ahí conocía el tipo que estar en el... Está bueno, porque eso está bueno. Eso está bueno. Hacerlo lo tenemos. Bueno, llevaría boca de vainilla, pero
This
bueno.
is about bullshit. We both took a sip. Call it. Bye.
Me gusta ya me gusta.
What do you want?
Poquito. Alternar.
Okay, another
Te
one.
rompen el culo y ni te enteras, ¿oí?
This is the most disgusting thing I've ever heard. So we are at La Brasier. They have the most options for food. So I got bolognese pasta, really good. And then he got beef tenderloin tips. Going to the Rock. And then the hotel. And our hotel is right there. You can see it from right here. After the hotel, we are getting ready for dinner. And then that is our day. Bye.
Okay.
Hello. At YouTube, we just left the inside of the pool. We thinking we're going to the room.
We're over there.
Okay, yeah. That's me. We left the pool. Mom said, oh yeah, take the stairs, the spiral stairs. It leads to the room. Show them the room. Show them. Uh-huh, yeah.
But the room is like right there. The room is like right there. But we can't get in.
Right, back to me. Back to me. Where? Oh, that's the same cat from earlier, I bet. Huh? This area is so cute. Okay, let's cross back. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Good morning. It is Saturday, March 16th. My birthday.
Happy birthday.
Okay. The day has finally come. Heading to breakfast. We booked breakfast in the Platinum area for this morning. We've been having breakfast in like the general area, so we want to kind of see the difference. And I have a massage appointment at 10 a.m. And then after that, eat some lunch, relax. And then we have my birthday dinner later. Come with me on my birthday. Bye. Got done with my Canary hot stone massage. It was 10 out of 10. I don't know what we're about to do. We're about to just relax, chill, and have a really good day. Pool time.
Part two.
Birthday dinner part 2. Part 1, they pissed us off. I'm sure it's a great restaurant. The waitress was really rude. It's a no for me here. So we're back at the hotel. It's my birthday. Happy birthday. Thank you and enjoy your day. Somebody mix these. This is potatoes. This is carrot. Hi guys. I'm so sad. It's our last day. We just woke up from a nap. But my battery officially says about to die. It's Sunday, March 17th, our last full day here. We came out to breakfast and then we are heading out to our excursion this week for a 3-hour, what is it? Dolphin Whale watching tour. AKA, we're just gonna go nap on that boat. Yep. And then sleep so we can catch this early flight. Back from our Dolphin and Whale tour. It was amazing. We met cool couples. One of the couples was from Florida, from Sarasota, so it was really nice. We talked and chatted the entire time, which was cool. And now we're about to go get lunch. And then after lunch, we're gonna come back here and chill. I don't know where we're going for dinner. For some reason, this man has booked some place that is unknown. I guess we'll both find out.
This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, at this kind of thing.
Made it back to Miami, Florida. This flight felt very much longer. I think it was longer. Overall, great trip. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Hello. Okay, well, I actually missed my camera so much. We touched down from Spain to Miami yesterday after a very long travel day. And I thought we'd run back to Orlando. Mr. Man was like, oh, no, I have a surprise for you, another one. I said, another one, thank you. Lo and behold, he booked us a room in Fort Lauderdale. And it's so pretty. So my birthday is technically not over. We're going to brunch now, and after brunch, we're gonna finally head back to Orlando. So yeah, that's the update. So enjoy the views.
Kitty bouncing, kitty bouncing, kitty bouncing, yeah. Body energy, mama don't need bad energy.